In a world that's rapidly evolving with technological advancements, staying ahead means knowing where to invest your time and resources. Today, we'll explore which skills and assets are projected to not only thrive, but also potentially offer lucrative returns in the upcoming decade. Understanding these future essentials is crucial. Whether you're planning a career pivot, starting your journey in the workforce, or looking to expand your investment portfolio, knowing what will be valuable tomorrow positions you for success. So, if you're curious about what will make you most marketable and financially robust in a future driven by innovation, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we unveil these opportunities. And now, let's get an intriguing peek. Could mastering virtual worlds or developing AI be your ticket to a golden future? Let's find out. Digital assets. Number 1. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. In the realm of digital finance, cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology stand out as frontrunners. Cryptocurrencies, digital currencies that operate independently of traditional banks, are reshaping how we think about money. Blockchain, the technology underpinning these currencies, is equally transformative, providing a decentralized ledger for secure and transparent transactions. The potential of blockchain extends beyond cryptocurrencies into areas like supply chain management and secure voting systems. Mastering blockchain technology not only positions you at the forefront of a financial revolution, but also opens doors to careers in blockchain development, security, and strategic consultancy in virtually every industry affected by this technology. Number 2. Digital real estate. The concept of digital real estate is taking shape in virtual worlds where users can buy, sell, and develop properties. Platforms like Decentraland and The Sandbox offer opportunities to own virtual lands that can host games, shops, and social events. As the metaverse expands, the value of these digital properties grows, presenting a unique investment opportunity. Developers and investors are capitalizing on this trend, creating immersive experiences and advertisements in these virtual spaces. Understanding the market dynamics of digital real estate, from land acquisition to development and resale, can yield significant financial returns as more businesses and individuals flock to these digital locales. Number 3. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, represent ownership of unique items using blockchain technology. From digital art and music to tweets and virtual apparel, NFTs are revolutionizing how we perceive and trade digital assets. Artists and creators are finding NFTs particularly lucrative, as they allow them to monetize their works directly without intermediaries. For investors and collectors, NFTs offer a new asset class that combines the worlds of art, technology, and finance. By understanding the underlying value and rarity of NFTs, along with market trends and technological advances, stakeholders can engage profitably in this emerging market. As digital ownership becomes more mainstream, the ability to navigate and leverage the NFT market will be an invaluable skill in the digital economy. Technological skills. Number 4. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning (ML) are rapidly transforming industries across the globe. AI refers to systems or machines that mimic human intelligence to perform tasks and can iteratively improve themselves based on the information they collect. ML, a subset of AI, involves algorithms that learn from data and make decisions with minimal human intervention. These technologies are pivotal in areas like healthcare, where they predict patient outcomes, in finance, optimizing trading systems, and in autonomous vehicles, improving safety and efficiency. Careers in AI and ML are not only in high demand but are also among the highest paying in the tech field. Acquiring skills in programming, data analytics, and neural networks can open doors to roles such as AI developer, machine learning engineer, or data scientist. Number 5. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is poised to revolutionize problem-solving in fields that require immense computational power. Unlike classical computing, which uses bits as the smallest unit of data, quantum computing uses quantum bits or qubits, which can represent and store large amounts of data much more efficiently. This technology will dramatically enhance capabilities in drug discovery, cryptography, financial modeling, and weather forecasting. As quantum technology advances, the demand for professionals with expertise in quantum mechanics, software development, and systems engineering is expected to skyrocket. Gaining a foundational understanding in quantum algorithms and quantum hardware could be highly beneficial for those looking to enter this cutting-edge field, providing a competitive edge in high-tech careers. Number 6. Cybersecurity. With the increasing frequency of cyber attacks and data breaches, cybersecurity remains a critical skill set in safeguarding information and infrastructure. Cybersecurity professionals protect systems, networks, and data from cyber threats and help maintain privacy and information integrity across sectors. This field requires proficiency in areas such as ethical hacking, intrusion detection, and security protocol design. The role is continuously evolving, challenging professionals to stay ahead of new threats and to adopt innovative protection strategies. Opportunities in cybersecurity are vast, ranging from security analyst to chief information security officer, making it a lucrative and essential career path. As every industry moves towards more integrated digital operations, the skills to protect and secure these digital environments are becoming invaluable. Soft skills and creative skills. Number 7. Strategic decision-making. Strategic decision-making is an invaluable skill that encompasses analyzing situations, anticipating outcomes, and making choices that guide toward long-term goals. This skill is crucial in leadership roles across all industries, where decisions can have significant impacts on the success and growth of businesses. Effective strategic decision-makers are known for their ability to assess risks and benefits efficiently, consider various perspectives, and commit to a clear course of action under pressure. Developing this skill involves understanding market trends, competitive dynamics, and internal business metrics. Training in business management, economics, and psychology can enhance one's ability to make informed decisions. As automation increases, the human capacity to make complex, strategic decisions will be even more critical, ensuring this skill remains highly sought after and well compensated. Number 8. Creative and critical thinking. Creative and critical thinking skills enable individuals to approach problems in new ways and find innovative solutions. These competencies are essential in fields that thrive on innovation, such as technology, marketing, and product development. Creative thinking involves looking beyond traditional ideas and patterns to propose unique solutions and opportunities. Critical thinking, on the other hand, is about evaluating information rigorously to form a reasoned judgment. It's vital for problem-solving and effectively managing complex projects. Developing these skills can be fostered through interdisciplinary learning, engaging in brainstorming sessions, and practicing scenario analysis exercises. In a rapidly changing job market, the ability to think outside the box and rigorously analyze information will be paramount, making creative and critical thinkers extremely valuable in any professional setting. Number 9. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, EI, is the ability to understand and manage your own emotions, as well as recognize and influence the emotions of others. This skill is increasingly recognized as a crucial component of effective leadership, team management, and client relations. High EI contributes to better communication, conflict resolution, empathy, and leadership abilities. It's particularly important in roles that require navigating complex interpersonal dynamics, such as human resources, customer service, and management. Enhancing emotional intelligence can involve mindfulness training, active listening practices, and feedback exercises. Professionals who cultivate high EI are often better equipped to lead teams, drive employee engagement, and maintain client satisfaction, making them invaluable in any organizational context. As workplaces continue to emphasize collaborative environments and cultural sensitivity, emotional intelligence will be a key asset for career advancement. Each of these skills and assets holds the key to not just surviving but thriving in the future. These areas not only promise high-paying opportunities, but are also crucial for staying ahead in a rapidly evolving world. Start investing time in these skills today to ensure your place in tomorrow's job market. Remember, the future belongs to those who prepare for it now. Don't wait. Begin your journey towards mastering these future-proof skills today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. Don't forget to check out our other videos linked here for more tips and strategies.